Hello there, I'm Neerja Ahuja, an Ayurveda practitioner, educator, and wellness guide. And welcome. I'm so glad you are here. You may have come across the wisdom of Ayurveda in a yoga class, a health article, or from a friend. But here in this course, we are not diving into ancient textbooks. We are going straight to the heart of Ayurveda, the kitchen. Ayurveda teaches us that food is our first medicine. What we eat and how we prepare it can either build our strength and clarity or disrupt our balance. In this course, I'm sharing some of the simple healing recipes I've given to my clients over the years. These aren't just meals, they are supportive rituals. Each dish supports digestion, balances a dosha, and gently encourages your body's natural intelligence to thrive. You will find each recipe as its own lesson. Some are great when you are feeling heavy or sluggish. Some are comforting during times of stress. Others are light and ideal for seasonal cleansing. And don't worry, you don't need exotic ingredients or hours in the kitchen. Just everyday items, a little awareness, and a willingness to nourish yourself. I invite you to approach each recipe with presence, noticing how you feel before, during, and after eating. That's Ayurveda in action. So enjoy cooking, enjoy healing, and if this sparks something in you, I would love to welcome you into deeper learning through the Ayurveda Awareness Collective or one of my live programs. So let's get started.